Bitcoin will make you a millionaire. All season is just around the corner, and the meme coin has already done 100 times. Oh, FOMO is sky high in the crypto niche. My students keep bombarding me with messages just like this. They're asking me, why don't I trade in this type of assets? And today I'm going to tell you about it. So hi, my name is Jemmison. Today I'm going to be telling you about the trading secrets, what you should do, what you should not do, and things to avoid as a beginner to trading, spaces you should avoid. If you want to learn that all, what you need to do, watch this video to the end. An extra bonus, I'm going to be giving an AI powered tool that will make trading way easier for you. Let's get it. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to trade now, cryptocurrencies and all that. So the most volatile instrument requires the most precise signals. So we're practically destined to work with technical analysis, guys. So here's all you need: lines that follow the price. So I'm going to show you that here. So here I've highlighted a wedge, a narrow movement whose breakouts led to a price drop. And here I simply marked a slope, a descending trend line, its subsequent breakout upward, and gave a timely signal for growth. So let's break this down a little bit more. I'll take a relatively calm price section, and here this is what we need. So drawing a line through the highs and lows of the price movement, you can see the price fluctuated and eventually moved downwards. So now let's look at a clearer and more general example. I want to explain the core logic behind crypto price movement. So for that, I'll switch to a 5-minute time frame to make sure everything is as visual as possible. Now, here's the perfect example. So we've got narrowing phases followed by growth, then narrowing again. Every breakout from this formation leads to a volatility spike. So now we know the structure can trade both inside and the narrowing of the breakout. Don't forget about trends. Now I'll find the first trade example and we will get started. Okay, it's time to start trading, guys. I've entered a short right inside the price narrowing here. We're bouncing from the upper boundary here. It's too early to expect a breakout, so we're aiming for a short reversal. So meanwhile, while we have time, I want to talk to you about the relevance of cryptocurrencies. Friends, this is an unstoppable hype fueled by insane growth. We all know the stories about someone buying BTC in 2010 and now being a multi-millionaire. Okay, that really happened, but that was a train you had to catch at the start. Growth has slowed and it will be a very meteoric rise as it was before previously. So all that's left now is trading, and here comes crypto's biggest downside. Its unpredictability. It is very, very unstable. So meanwhile, I've closed the trade here in profit. I'm switching to charts now. I'm switching this chart now, and I'm going to be continuing. Okay, so now we're entering an interesting formation. First, note that the asset is bouncing off the ascending trend line here. So also connect the price highs and you see the slope has already broken upwards. So we've got a perfect bounce from below and the signal for growth from the breakout above. We just need now to collect our profits. So cryptocurrencies are highly unpredictable assets with constant volatility spikes, squeezes, and manipulations. At the very least, let's make this indicator almost useless. Their signals are very inaccurate and trading efficiency drops very, very sharply. All that's left now is to rely on technical analysis, but it is quite hard, and we're going to be seeing it here. So let's go. Okay, I'm in profit again, and I'm planning to enter right here. So let's pause. There might be a squeeze coming, and after that we'll continue immediately. So spoiler alert for newbies: if you rush into crypto, but you see pros trading forex, newbies will rush into crypto and do what they do, but the professionals always deal in forex. We value stability and not hype. Okay, so I'm back in the game. I want to switch to a higher time frame and show analysis from another angle. So we've already seen this formation, consolidation, correction, surge, and then again consolidation, correction, another minute for another surge. What's happening right here and right now? It's set up for a surge. Guys, I have no doubts we'll see it start within the next minute. And indeed, the asset is rising. Wow. So we just observe and continue on our topic. So who really benefits from crypto trading? Those are the questions we need to ask. Who is ready to work in the long term, or who is ready for short-term things? So let's see. So we're going to be opening trades now, and we're waiting for profits for days, if not weeks. So if you can wait for a little bit, and secure your small gains, you're good for it. So meanwhile, I've closed my trade and I'm already preparing to continue on a new chart. Let's go. A long trade setup. Let's break down the situation. So after the growth phase, we entered this narrowing channel here, and again the price is in correction phase and preparing for another breakout. So right now there's a bounce from the lower boundary of the channel, so we're aiming for upward movements at least for the next minute. So getting back to crypto, today I'm trading to show you it's possible, but personally I prefer traditional currency pairs. So I'm a short-term trader working with minute expirations. I love indicators and use them constantly. I also prefer working with predictable markets rather than chaos, and chaos is caused by the crypto market. So that's why my choice is always, forex, the classic time-tested market. Well, everything looks perfect here too. So we're switching assets now, and we're going to be continuing to trade. So, okay, it's time to go short. We're trading Bitcoin's decline. Friends, pay attention to this pattern right here. So we have an upward structure, all is good, and here is the reversal. It points downwards here. Price needs to touch the trend line, and we're just approaching such a setup now. By the way, you might have noticed I'm already trading OTC, and that's just for today. It's simple. The broker's profitability on exchange traded crypto assets is very low. There's just nothing to do here. So let's add this to crypto's trading drawbacks. Overall, it's much more challenging. Anyway, so we'll consider forex instead. By the way, if you're struggling to get started, join my Telegram channel. I give free signals with good hit rates, and it's a great way to begin practicing your trading journey. Okay, so guys, this trade has closed in profit too. And important note, guys, if you're completely new to trading, I have the simplest solution for you: AI-based automated software, about 72% accuracy. I'll give it to you for free, and just message me on Telegram to discuss about this, and you get it for absolutely free. So meanwhile, I'm in another position. We're still waiting for price to reverse to the trend line while discussing crypto. So by the way, I've been criticizing it a lot today, but I haven't even praised it once. The truth is an amazing financial tool, great for online payments, accounts funding, including broker deposits and cross-border transfers. I use it myself. You can cash out USDT anywhere globally, super convenient for travelers, and let's not forget tokens really do grow. So holding investments in them is a solid choice. Every instrument has its purpose. Guys, so if you're into short-term trading through tokens, so you see, that's how it works. It probably won't be for everybody, but some people it works for them. So it's either your ally or it's your enemy. So all right, it's time for us to switch our assets now. I'm already scanning for the next entry point. Okay, and here comes the moment to wrap up the session. We've entered a short position now, and I'll show you the channel the price is moving within. So we've got a clear bounce here, and right now we're heading downwards. Perfect setup for a trade. I have no doubt this will end positively for us. Let's see how it goes. So now let's clarify what beginner traders interested in crypto should do. With broker, you face low returns unless you're trading OTC. So also be ready for sudden spikes in volatility, squeezes, and other unpleasant surprises you probably won't enjoy. Ultimately, you face manipulation from the markets markers, and they are especially aggressive, and in the crypto space it is very, very, very tight there. So you see how it goes. That's exactly why I recommend forgetting about crypto if you want fast trades and instant profits. It doesn't work like that. Okay, by the way, so I'm preparing my final trade of the day, guys, and let's see how it goes. I want to squeeze the maximum amount from this market and then move to summarizing the session for you guys. So while we are waiting, let me say crypto trading is possible, but in that case you should trade on higher time frames with long-term perspectives. With long-term perspective. Personally, I'm pushing myself hard to show a short-term profit, and trust me, it is not easy. So okay, let's not waste any time. This is our final trade of today. I think it will play out just right. We've entered a strong rent candle here, and while we wait for the market to decide my fate, here's a valuable piece of advice. If you're ever in complete if you're in complete danger because you're a beginner, forex is a classic, a proven approach with the most developed industry. So I will align you to that one. So traders have been earning money here for decades. Hundreds of books have been written, so everyone is already set up for, you know, new traders. So crypto is exciting, it's flashy and intriguing, but even top experts in the field don't know what the markets will look like in a couple of years. So that's one of the drawbacks of crypto. With forex, it's very stable. So that's why my advice is simple, you know, start with what definitely works. Classic currency pairs. If you like crypto, it's not going anywhere, so, you know, learn from that and move to the next. So here we go. Perfect, you know, total success. Friends, now we can confidently wrap up this session and see what we had. So friends, see, look, I think this video was really insightful for people that are interested in crypto. But if you want, you know, short term with technical analysis, all you need to do is send me a message on Telegram. Link is in the description below. You can write to me. I will give you these insights for absolutely free. So until next time, when I see you guys on the next video, keep liking, keep sharing, keep subscribing. I'll see you guys on the next one.